Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut tail lamp tint on this 2025 Subaru Forester. This is a dual part video, so you'll see just the turn signal tint, and then you also see at the end of the video the full tail lamp tint. So this is a air release film applied completely dry. To start, you want to clean the surrounding area of the vehicle, and then right prior to installation, you want to wipe down the surface with a microfiber and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. This is the dark smoke film that we're going to be showing you. We also have this available in a light smoke, so depending on your preference, you could check out either one. We have the product linked in the video description below, as well as all the other products that we offer for this vehicle, so make sure to check those out as well. And the other thing you'll be needing for today, besides the kit, is a squeegee possibly, and a heat gun. If you do need those, we have those available on our website as well. So we're going to be starting with the turn signal area first, and then we'll show you the full lamp. So this one you want to align right around this little part that sticks out. Once you get that aligned, you can go ahead and work the rest of the film down. I'm a little bit off on my alignment, so I'm going to pull it back up and redo it. It's hard because I don't want you to see the back of my head the entire time, but I also can't see on this side. All right, that's better. So now once you have that seated, you could go ahead with a little bit of heat over the entire thing. This will just make sure the film is set, and then if you have any bubbles, they're gonna pop up in this stage. So that is the dark smoke turn signal tint. If you purchase that, you could stop watching the video now. If you're looking for the full tint kit, we're gonna be doing that next. So the upper portion of this tint kit is in 4 pieces. We're gonna start with this guy, move to this side, then we have 2 upper pieces as well. So on this, you're gonna start by aligning here, work the film down the lamp, alignment wise, and then we could go ahead and start to stick it all down. And with all that said, I feel like it's going to be easier for you to start the alignment at the bottom. Maybe a little bit off here. So this portion of the lamp is pretty flat, so pretty straightforward on the installation. When you get to this guy over here, this is where it gets a little weird. You want to sort of keep tension on it. Make sure you got that coverage at the top. So now you can go ahead and get your heat gun, and we're going to heat a couple of these areas to get the film to lay a little bit better. You do want to focus on that groove too to get the film work down a little better. Once you got that applied, you can go ahead and go over the entire thing again with heat. Make sure everything is situated and press down all the way. So now we're going to move to that rear piece. Rear piece, we're going to start on this corner. Get that side aligned. And once that's aligned, you can go ahead and start to work the film now. On this, I'm going to shift it down just a touch. So I totally lied to you. We're gonna start on the right side and get that aligned. All right, there we go. That's better. Now you can go ahead and start to work the film down. And when you're lining it on the right side of this, you just want to go slightly past where the old like clear part ends, and then the black portion begins. Grab your heat source again. Same thing on this one with that little groove, just work down the film into the groove. Once you have that done, you can get this edge. Then you want to hit the top edge as well. Then you could go over the entire film with the heat source again, just make sure everything is locked down. So next we're going to be doing the top. It doesn't really matter which one you start with. Let's start with the quarter panel piece and then do the hatch piece. All right, so we're going to do this by lining it at the top, and working in that direction, which you probably already know, but if you didn't, now you do. Again, keep a little bit of tension with your right hand as you line that. I'm going to do this and then we'll come back with the heat gun. Same thing, we're going to be starting on this side. So lining it at the top. You can grab your heat gun. This does have that weird groove thing as well. And if you have any overhang here in the center, you can go ahead and just work that in with the squeegee. And that is the installation. Again, this is the dark smoke film. We also have this available in the light smoke. It does do a nice job of sort of blending with that gloss black portion. Yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to let us know. Our contact information is on the website. We also have this and all the other products for this vehicle listed in the video description below. Thanks for watching.